Our Father in heaven, we pray for your light during these trying times. We pray wisdom for our leaders, safety for our frontliners, doctors, nurses, medical and social welfare staff, police, military and LGU officials. Please forgive us our wicked ways, and heal our land. Please calm every anxious soul, and hope for every restless heart. In Jesus Christ's name, your Son. Amen. Welcome to OphirPh, Pearl of the Orient City Guide to Events, Food and Drinks, Culture, Movies, Technology Trends, Theatre, TV and Travel. Explore more than 7,000 wonderful Paradise Island, experience and immerse to the maharlikan culture of Yar. Puchero is a type of stew originally from Spain, prepared in Yucatán, Mexico, Argentina, Paraguay, Uruguay, Peru, south of Brazil, the Philippines, and Spain, specifically the autonomous communities of Andalusia and the Canary Islands. The name comes from the Spanish word Puchero, which means stewpot. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel and follow and like us on Facebook #OphirPh. Visit our site at www.ophirph.com for more food review. How does coronavirus spread? Coronavirus most commonly spreads from an infected person to others through 1. The air, by coughing or sneezing. 2. Touching a contaminated surface or object manned. Then touching your mouth, nose or eyes. 3. Close personal contact, such as touching or shaking hands. 4. Rarely, fecal contamination. What are signs and symptoms of coronavirus? 1. Fever. 2. Sore throat. 3. Difficulty breathing. 4. Dry cough. How can I protect myself? 1. Wash your hands thoroughly and often with soap and water at least 20 seconds. 2. Avoid touching your eyes, nose or mouth with unwashed hands. 3. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. Proteins for Puchero can be chicken, pork, and beef. I have not tried using goat meat or lamb for it, but will eventually do so one of these days and will keep you posted. The pork version is the most popular. Crushed tomatoes is a good alternative ingredient for fresh tomato and tomato sauce. Stewed tomato works great with Puchero too. Plantain's a good substitute for sour banana. It provides a semi-sweet taste to the dish, but not much compared to the other. Sweet potato can also be used if either type of bananas are not available. I suggest omit the regular baking potato if you are choosing this option. Chorizo de Bilbao is ideal for this recipe. However, Chinese sausage can also be used. Not everyone appreciates fish sauce, but I think that it is worth a try. Salt is always a good alternative. Here are chicken Puchero ingredients. 2 pounds chicken cut into serving pieces. 1 piece Knorr chicken cube. 2 pieces potato cubed. 2 bunches baby bok choy. Half head cabbage sliced. 8 ounces tomato sauce. 18 pieces long green beans. 2 pieces chorizo de Bilbao sliced. 8 ounces chickpea. 3 pieces sour banana sliced. 2 pieces tomato diced. 1 piece onion chopped. 4 cloves garlic crushed. 2 cups water. 3 tablespoons cooking oil. Fish sauce and crushed peppercorn to taste. It is best to have all the ingredients ready when cooking the dish to get the optimal result. Here are chicken Puchero instructions on how to cook. First step. Heat oil in a cooking pot. Pan fry the chicken for 2 minutes beside. Set aside. Second step. Using the remaining oil, saute onion and garlic. Third step. Add chorizo. Saute for 1 minute. Fourth step. Add tomato. Continue to saute until onion and tomato softens. Fifth step. Put the pan-fried chicken back into the pot. Stir. Sixth step. Pour tomato sauce and water. Let boil. Seventh step. Add more chicken cube. Stir and cover the pot. Cook in medium heat for 15 minutes. Eighth step. Put potato, saba banana, and chickpea into the pot. Cover and cook for 12 minutes. Ninth step. Add long green beans and cabbage. Cover and cook for 3 minutes. 10th step. Add bok choy. Cook for 2 minutes. Season with crushed peppercorn and fish sauce. Stir. 11th step. Transfer to a serving bowl. Share and enjoy. Presentation and appearance is only secondary to taste, in my opinion. Make sure that your chicken Puchero is tasty and delicious. I add a piece of chicken cube to my dish in order to raise the flavor of chicken to the next level. This is the reason why I always enjoy pouring sauce over my rice before eating. If you have any comments or suggestion, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel and follow and like us on Facebook #OphirPh. For more food review, visit our site at www.ophirph.com. Don't forget to click the notification bell. If my people, who are called by my name, will humble themselves, and pray and seek my face, and turn from their wicked ways, then I will hear from heaven, and I will forgive their sin, and will heal their land. 2 Chronicles 7:14.